Hello, my name is Eric Engelstad and I'm a product trainer for DocuSign University. Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the approve and decline fields in DocuSign eSignature. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to set up these fields and understand their significance, including how approvals are reflected in the certificate of completion. In our scenario, a manager will need to approve an invoice before it is sent out to the customer. First, I will check the Set Signing Order checkbox so that the envelope is sent in a sequence to the recipients who each have the default Needs to Sign action. On the document, I will start by dragging and dropping the approve and decline fields for Mark the manager. And I will place a signature field for Caroline the customer. By selecting the approve field, I can modify the button text to something more descriptive, such as, for instance, I approve this document. After receiving the envelope, if Mark clicks on the approve field, it will confirm that he agrees with the contents of the document and indicates that the process can move forward. The approve action will not be visible on the document itself, but will be recorded in the history of the envelope and on the certificate of completion. You might also want to customize the button text for the decline field to something more descriptive, such as, please provide a reason for declining. Because if the recipient declines, they can specify their reason within a pop-up box, which will be recorded in the history of the envelope. I'll now go ahead and send the envelope. Mark the manager is the first to receive the envelope and accesses the document by clicking on Review Document. If he chooses to click on the Decline button, a pop-up will appear allowing him to enter the reason for declining. However, if he clicks on the Approve button, automatically it will trigger the sending of the envelope to the next recipient, Caroline the customer. Caroline the customer has now received the envelope and can sign the document. Once the document is completed, the certificate of completion will show who approved or declined the document and includes the date and timestamps for each action taken. In the case of an approval, it will explicitly state approved in the envelope history and completed on the certificate along with the recipient's name, verifying that the document has received the necessary consent before being sent to the following recipients. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Happy signing, everyone!